Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a video on the H1Z1 open beta glitch, I guess you could say. I'm not sure if it's happening to everyone, but I'll show you guys real quick. When you play or open like the map, for me at least, it gives me this like I can move and not look, or sometimes I can't move at all or look. And so normally it doesn't help you at all because you can get stuck in the middle of a gunfight, which happened to me last game I played. I got down to 4th, and I was pretty upset because I got glitched and the guy pulled up in his truck and shotgunned me. So here, let me come down the ground so I can show you real quick. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it on demand, but normally what I'll do is I'll grab a gun. So let's go in here, grab a crossbow for example, and normally you like open the map and then move, and it'll glitch out. And like, see, like right now I'm not able to look, but I can move. And the best way to fix it, or what I found out, is you just click exit match, and then hit like no, and then now you're able to move. So that's how to fix that. If the glitch happens to you, just kind of do that like a little thing, or you wanna just you click it and like activates and starts like a new screen, or like refreshes you or something, and it lets you move. So yeah, I hope this glitch helps, or this tip helps you guys. And yeah, just feel free to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.